Okay, so this is my ArcadeR joystick. Never done an unboxing before, so this will be fun. Wow, really need that. So we have that. Let's say hello to Jessie. And just inside we have like the top knob, some bits and pieces which look like suckers to hold it down, a couple of bits, screwdriver, seems fairly sturdy. Bits and pieces, and I believe this is the extender bar to make the actual joystick taller. And here we go. This is my ArcadeR. Wow, that actually feels quite sturdy. That is solid. That is properly solid. Ready? Here we go. Peel. Peel. Everyone loves a peel. Right, I am going to use this because I've got big fat hands. Only problem is now I need to wait for my FE. There you go. I have to say, that feels like thick plastic. That feels really, really